Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Any regular listener of the broadcast has heard us talking about whole home energy audits, and now we're bringing that same concept to the entire water structure of our property.
That is correct. Yeah, you hit that right on the head. It is eerily similar to a energy audit. Water can definitely be audited the same way. And, with the new meters that are being installed, it's tracked at a very high level.
And an interesting thing that I wish that they would talk about more is the nexus between water and energy, because water savings is energy savings is water savings. The biggest electric user in the state of Arizona is Central Arizona Project Canal. That's the biggest water supplier in the state as well. It costs a lot of money to move water.
It does. It really does. Isn't that ironic?
And then it takes a lot of water to generate the electricity.
That is correct. They go hand in hand for sure.
So if you're saving one, you're saving the other.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.